Hello and welcome to the session. This session focuses on Learning Outcome 2. Understand the dynamics of leading and managing equality and diversity in an organization. How can organizations effectively lead equality and diversity? This video explores the dynamics of leadership and management in promoting these values. Discover how commitment and engagement transform organizational culture. Leadership is crucial in shaping organizational culture for equality. Senior leaders set the tone and values. Their support for inclusive behavior signals equality as a core value. Without strong leadership, policies may be ignored. Leaders must visibly challenge discrimination. Managers translate policy into everyday practice. This includes fair recruitment and appraisal processes. They must balance operational demands with ethical responsibilities. Knowledge and confidence are key. Effective management ensures policies are applied consistently. Managing differences involves handling conflict and resistance. Leaders create environments for open discussion. Poor leadership allows bias to go unchallenged. Anticipating misunderstandings is vital. Respectful environments prevent tension. Accountability is key in equality and diversity. It should be embedded into performance management. Leaders must be accountable for decisions. Without accountability, equality is symbolic. Consistent enforcement builds trust. Commitment requires active building and maintenance. Visible leadership support is essential. Embedding equality into strategy is crucial. Training and awareness reduce resistance. Clear accountability increases commitment. Equality must be part of organizational systems. Recruitment and service delivery should reflect this. Staff need to see equality affecting outcomes. Training must focus on real scenarios. Engagement builds ownership. Policies set intent, procedures explain application. Legal compliance is a minimum requirement. Policies should align with organizational values. Clarity and relevance are crucial. Procedures ensure policies translate into action. Communication is as important as having policies. Leadership messages set behavioral expectations. Training explains policies in context. Written communication provides a reference point. External stakeholders need clear communication. Engaging external stakeholders requires transparency. Websites demonstrate accountability. Suppliers must know equality expectations. Communication should consider accessibility. Effective communication reassures stakeholders. Addressing issues requires a structured approach. Early identification is crucial. Managers must challenge inappropriate behavior. Conflict management is key. Complex conflicts require careful handling. Systemic issues require policy changes. Recruitment criteria may need revision. Evidence-based reviews ensure effectiveness. Disciplinary action reinforces accountability. Serious misconduct requires fair processes. Monitoring ensures policies are effective. Data analysis identifies patterns. Equality impact assessments prevent harm. Feedback provides qualitative insights. Audits strengthen accountability. Feedback captures lived experiences. Surveys and focus groups provide insights. Confidentiality encourages engagement. Audits assess compliance. Training evaluation identifies knowledge gaps. Regular policy reviews maintain relevance. Reviews should be informed by data. Changes in legislation must be considered. Monitoring ensures genuine improvement. Consistent use of methods is essential. Reaching diverse stakeholders requires planning. Different needs and preferences must be considered. Multiple communication channels increase reach. Accessibility is crucial. Trusted intermediaries build trust. Information should be clear and jargon-free. Alternative formats must be available. Accessibility should be planned. Trusted partners encourage participation. Meaningful engagement builds trust. Consultation must be meaningful. Stakeholders need to see their impact. Feedback mechanisms should be easy to use. Token consultation undermines trust. Engagement should be genuine and responsive. Monitoring engagement identifies gaps. Tracking participation is crucial. Flexibility is needed to adapt approaches. Genuine engagement requires commitment. Continuous review improves effectiveness. In conclusion, understanding the dynamics of leading and managing equality and diversity is essential for creating inclusive and effective organizations. This involves recognizing individual differences, addressing bias, and promoting fair treatment through inclusive leadership and management practices. Effective leadership ensures that equality and diversity principles are embedded in policies, behaviors, and organizational culture. Understanding these dynamics supports positive working relationships, improved performance, and a respectful workplace environment. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074-8436-1688.